Hey up Suzuki fans, it's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today we've got for sale this lovely Hayabusa. Cracking machine is this, looks fantastic in white with that black stripe. It's 2017 on a 67 plate, only done 2,422 miles from new. It's a one owner bike and it's gleaming, proper nice clean bike is this. Like I said, only one owner. It's got the Yoshimura exhaust on what you're having a look at there. We do have the standard pipes and we've got the seat cowl as well for it. So with these you get ABS, you get power modes as well, and this one's been fitted with some bar risers. We can take them off if you like to, but it just makes that a little bit more comfortable. You've got them Brembo brakes and all that power from being a 1300cc. So let's give it a quick fire up. These are no longer in production, so if you want this one, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.